Welcome to another edition of Weekend Roundup from AUVSI, where we call to your attention some stories that you might not have noticed. Brian, what have you got for us?
So a few things that we covered on the website this week. Alti UAS has introduced a new version of its Alti Transition vertical takeoff and landing UAS. The new UAS is called the Alti Transition SAR Orange, and it has a bright orange search and rescue color scheme, as you can probably find out from the name, as well as a disaster-specific payload integration that makes it ideal for firefighting, as well as post-disaster management and damage assessment. And Brent, I know that you have another thing kind of in that realm.
That just reminded me, there's a story about the Philippine Red Cross using some new drones that are equipped with LTE cellular connections to deal with disaster response in the Philippines. So those two are just some new examples of where sort of custom-built systems are being used for a specific purpose.
So a few weekends ago, Ocean Infinity, their AUVs helped to locate the missing ARA San Juan submarine, which went missing a little over a year ago. And they conducted their search for about 2 months, and the submarine was found 600 kilometers east of Comodoro Rivadavia in the Atlantic Ocean. And one more story for the weekend. A company called Aprili Design Studio is designing a hotel room on wheels called the Autonomous Travel Suite, which is designed to carry travelers they're traveling on a journey between 6 and 10 hours. And it comes equipped with everything that a hotel room would have, including a sleeping space, a workspace, a tiny kitchen, a toilet, and a sitting shower. So very interesting.
Probably not a vibrating mattress, though. Maybe that's an option. A couple more things from me. A company named Dauntless UAS, back to the air side, has created a drone that says can carry more than its own weight. So payload lifting is always a concern, and that may be one way around it. On the automated driving front, Virginia's Perrone Robotics has created an automated Range Rover that it's been showing off in Tampa, Florida. The company's already set up an automated shuttle in England and is planning to launch one soon in Charlottesville, Virginia. And last but not least, from RT, so kind of take this with a little bit of a grain of salt, says that China is interested in setting up a sea base devoted to unmanned submarines. So sounds like something James Bond will be attacking eventually in a future movie. So that's what we got for you this week. We'll see you next week. Flawless, except for the flaws.